I'm here in one of the weirdest places on Ross Island. This is Skua, it's called. Skua is a scavenger, one of the birds that lives around here, and it's also, on this place, it's become a verb. To skewer is to scavenge something. Reuse, reduce, recycle is more important here than probably back at home. And this place is all about reusing. So if you've got stuff that you don't need anymore, you're about to leave the continent, you don't want to carry it with you, this is the place to bring it. So good collection of books here. I can recommend this one by Kate Atkinson. Not so sure about this one, though I must say I have read it. Also some DVDs, magazines you can pick up. Behind me, a whole lot of kitchen appliances. There's a wok there, some food processors. I think this is where the good stuff is. A great collection of boots, also running shoes. Bound to be something in your size. Over here there are some stranger things. Hair remover body cream for men. Not sure if that one should be reused. Plastic bone. It actually looks a bit like a mower bone to me. No idea. And over here there's a whole lot of clothes, practical stuff and dress ups as well. I'm going to go have a skewer.